Okay, every dinner at grandmother and grandfather Hardman's house, Holswade Hardman's house, they had the little deal, and we'd be playing in the yard. It didn't matter what we were doing, you would run. So
you particularly would run.
Yeah.
Well, tell them how I got to dinner, John, when we were playing in the backyard.
Uncle Charlie said this. He watched us coming in, and all the grandchildren walked down the sidewalk through the trellis into the door, except Charlie went through the shrub.
The most direct route. But anyway, a little story on this. John Denbigh is going to try to recreate the call to dinner in the Holswade Hardman family.
I don't know.
Are you ready?
Just command the performance.
That was it.
I forgot all about this.